Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an abtastic workout for you. Forget the crunches. We've got 7 exercises that will sculpt your core like never before. Let's get that midsection strong and defined. First up, we have the plank. This is a powerhouse exercise that engages your entire core, including your transverse abdominis, obliques, and rectus abdominis. Remember, form is key. Next, we've got Russian twists. This move targets your obliques and helps with rotational stability. Keep that core engaged and feel the burn. Now, let's unleash the bird dog. It's a fantastic exercise for core stability and spinal alignment. Keep a straight line from your head to your heel for maximum effectiveness. Time for the dead bug. This one's a gem for working your core while protecting your neck. Keep your lower back pressed to the ground and engage those abdominal muscles. And now, a little ab-themed humor. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field of core exercises. Laughter makes any workout better. Leg raises are up next. They target your lower abs and hip flexors. Remember to lower your legs slowly and with control to maximize the benefits. Let's pedal through some bicycle crunches. This dynamic exercise engages your entire core and promotes oblique strength. Keep that rhythm going. Last but not least, we have mountain climbers. This is a high-intensity move that not only fires up your core but also gets your heart pumping. Keep that energy up. There you have it, folks. 7 ab exercises that will leave your core feeling stronger and more defined. Remember to perform each exercise with proper form and control. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep sculpting that core and stay strong.